Restrict other admin accounts. Do this.
First, Windows X, press G to open computer management. Local user and groups. Users. Yung user na i-restrict. Member of. Kung naka-admin, remove, add, advance, find now, then users. Okay, apply, then okay. Then restart. Log in ng account. Then try natin mag-install. Ayan, hihinga na siya ng credentials galing ng admin. So, every time na mag-install siya, hihinga na siya ng password. For more tech tips and shortcuts, don't forget to like, follow, and share.